Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have here a Sony ZV1 camera. It's their newest vlogging camera that came out a few months ago, and I was so excited when they launched this camera because you can flip the screen on the side, so you have a better visibility on what you are shooting, especially if you're vlogging or doing a video on yourself. So yeah, let's have a first look on this Sony ZV1 and let's see what is our first impression on this one. Yeah, we have here, it's a small box because the camera is so small. Of course we have this manual, and pretty much that's it. So you have a USB cable and you have your mini dead cat for your mic, and of course you have a battery and the camera itself. This is nice. This is so small. I'm so scared I might drop this. Whoa. Look how pretty is this. Good job, Sony. When we got this, it came with a battery charger pack and a tough memory card and of course a screen protector for your screen. Yeah, so let's unbox this first. Pretty much that's it. Some paperwork and of course your charger and an extra battery. This is the first time we have a Sony tough memory card. This is a 128 gig. I heard this one is kind of like shockproof and water resistant. Yes, this one. The texture is so different. And it's not plastic at all. It's like a super hard case. Oh, not bad, not bad. Okay, so let's put this memory card and a battery in this camera. So cute! You see this? Because let me show you. The mic is on top of it. Here, the mic is on top of it. So whenever you capture a video without this noise reduction dead cat fur, you will hear a lot of background noise. So with this, it will lessen the background noise and your voice will be captured much clearly. So that's why this one is important, and good thing it comes with this already. But of course you can use your own mic in this camera as well, like this. So let's try this. This is also from Sony. You can also use this kind of mic. You can just plug this in. but I think I would go for the default one for now. And done. That's CJ. And the camera. So yeah, I think this one is so pretty. Let's see. So imagine if you're doing your vlog, you can actually see yourself while vlogging, which is very helpful. Yeah, this is super small. You can actually do a portrait as well, like this one, if you want to capture your TikTok videos or any Instagram videos or Facebook videos, or you wanted to have a portrait video, then you can use this one, which is kind of cool. This one is so nice. Hey! Hi, CJ! Hi! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Yeah, this one is super small and super light, and you can use this anywhere without any hassle, and the quality is so good. I don't know. Yes, I like it. I so like this. I can't wait to use this. Alright, all in all, I really like this new vlogging camera from Sony, and I can't wait to use this. This is only a first look on this Sony ZV1. I haven't explored all the options that you can do for this one, but I can say this is so light and very small. You can bring anywhere and use this anywhere without the need of using any of your bigger camera. Or if you are a beginner and you want to invest on a vlogging camera, then I recommend you invest on this Sony ZV1. Yeah. Alright. That's all for now, guys. This is just a quick video. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!